Well, hi, my friends. I'd like to just share with you a way to use jicama. Jicama is full of fiber and antioxidants. It's so good for you and gives you really great prebiotic fiber. So first of all, in cutting a jicama, it's important to maybe just use about half of it. It's quite big, so just get started, hit it down, and you can pull it apart. You see, it's not really like a potato. It's way more fibrous, and it's very good for you. After you get it cut in half, I would use a smaller knife to kind of peel around the outside. You notice they use a lot of these in Mexico. That's why they taste really great with lime and Tajin. It's just a very simple treat that you can do for yourself, full of vitamin B, B6, vitamin C is loaded. Then I would slice it across the grain I'm using the bigger knife for this, the chopping knife, and just get nice slim pieces. You don't want them too thick. You want them about 1/8 of an inch thick or a 1/4, quarter. They serve really well with some cucumbers. Just to break it up, they go well with hummus. In this one, I'm just going to be adding a bit of lime, getting them nice and wet, and then serving them with this little bit of Tajin spice. It's delicious. Along with the really great benefits of jicama, there's the dragon fruit. And I love this exotic fruit because it's not too sweet, it naturally lowers your blood sugar, and it's full of good prebiotic fiber. There's little seeds inside of it, and the way that I like to pull it apart is just grab the skin and just kind of pull it off. You don't want to cut too deep into it because it's got a lot of fruit right there along the side of the skin. And this would be a good one to introduce children to if they've never tried it before. Now, if you're visiting Chinatown, you can buy these from the Asians, or if you have a store that has Asian food in it, you can get it there. And they're not inexpensive. You'll pay about $5 to $6 for a really nice dragon fruit, depending on the size. Once you've got that peel off, you can just slice this and quarter this. It serves really well with lime. Remember, this is not a real sweet fruit, so just adding a little bit of lime really enhances the flavor of that. So that's the beautiful dragon fruit.